All right, I just got these in the mail. Let's check them out. Haha. Wow, look at that. And I do believe it is a size 10. Let's go ahead and get this out of there. Well, maybe we've got to untie it first. Loosen it up. And let's pull that out. And I do believe that there is some more stuff in here. I don't think there's anything in there. That's just padding. All right, so here's our first boot. So you guys can see this a little bit better. And yeah, there it is. Looks good. Looks like it's pretty good quality. Here's the interior. You can see the name of it. So this is a size 10. All right. And we get extra laces apparently. Look at that. So that's nice. Let's set that over there for a second. And we got another one in here. Yep, there it is. So let's get it unhooked. All right, so these are ready to go. We get extra laces, so we'll save those. And I guess we can get rid of the box. All right, here we are. Check them out. Oh, yeah. That's it right there. Now I just got to try them on. All right, so let's see how they fit. First, we want to get the laces a little bit loosey. And I got my socks on. And got to smush my feet in there. Hopefully they fit me. So these are supposed to be a size 10, which is basically what I take. All right, let's take these babies for a spin. We're taking our boots for a ride. Here we go. Going out here, going in the ground, walking on the ground. They're working great. We're gonna go up to some rocks now. Check it out. We're in the rocky area, performing well. Yep, these bad boys are nice. I'm totally loving them. I may have to get another pair, maybe in a different color. Like Lynette said, let's get some black ones. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.